Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe video to share, and I have Bolu Gulung. It is Indonesian version of Swiss roll, and usually we would fill it with cream, but today I filled it with raspberry mixed with strawberry jam. It is pretty easy to make and it is pretty quick. Everyone can make it without fail, I'm sure. So yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. Okay, first thing first, we're gonna melt 65 grams of unsalted butter in microwave. Also prepare your baking pan. Best is if you have 22 centimeters by 22 centimeters of baking pan, square baking pan. If not, just use 20 centimeters like I have here. And you want to cover it with parchment paper. We're gonna crack 3 whole eggs. Add in 45 grams of sugar. This is about just below quarter cup. And 35 grams of flour. And also just below quarter cup. And then 2 tablespoons of skim dry milk. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And half tablespoon of the magic ingredients, which is cake emulsifier. So what I'm using, like in Indonesia we have this ovalet or SP. I'm using SP today. You can find it on Amazon or at Asian store. That's half tablespoon. And about 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla. So what we're gonna do now, just using your electric mixer or stand mixer or handheld mixer, you're just gonna mix it until completely mixed and thicken. The mixture should be pale whitish, and you can scrape the sides. You have some of the dry ingredients there. Turn off your mixer once the batter is thickened like so, and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. We're gonna put in our melted butter and we're gonna fold the batter nicely and slowly. Pour batter into prepared baking pan and spread it out nicely. I took out some to color. So the batter that I took out, I just color it just to show that the filling will be raspberry or strawberry, something pinky. Oven's ready. We're gonna bake it for 15 to 18 minutes. Out cake from the oven. And place a parchment paper and flip it. Now the bottom is on the top and just fill it. Now if you want to give cream, you roll it now, but because it's strawberry jam, we're gonna spread it now. You have the jam, just roll it. You roll it, leave it to cool completely before we slice it. Slice and serve.